Good afternoon. So you're flying along your Spitfire. What a lovely machine it is. But if you're not careful, you will overheat it. So I'm going to give it some beans now, get it nice and warm, and see if we can get it to overheat again. It should happen in a few seconds. There we go, all over the place. First thing we need to do is drop your air mixture back. You drop your RPMs down low at about 30. I've had mixed results, but I'm giving it a good bit of a prime here. Sometimes it makes a difference, sometimes it don't. And slowly bring back up the air mixture again. Just a little bit. And we've got power. Push your RPMs back up to around 60%. Lift your air mixture back up. Fly it a little bit more steady this time. And then give it some more beans.